Hi guys, it's Ali here. Today we've got this customer's car in our workshop and we're going to fit a set of our JIMNYSTYLE inner wheel arch liners. So this is what the underside of the Jimny looks like as standard. You can see there's quite a lot of exposed metal here, and here is the other side with one of the front inner wheel arch liners fitted. So as you can see, a lot more protection on this side. It's very much the same story at the rear of the car, a lot of exposed metal here underneath. And this is the rear of the Jimny with one of our inner wheel arch liners installed. So this is how the front inner wheel arch liners arrive. This is for the front left. You also get this little fitting kit with some clips and instructions inside. And on the inside edge, you also get some additional sound deadening. And this is how one of the rear wheel arch liners will arrive. This is for the rear left. You also get a little fitting kit with clips and bolts on the rear side of the liner. Just like the front, you get some additional sound deadening. The rear liners are supplied with these sticky pads that prevent the liners from vibrating against the car. Starting at the rear of the Jimny, the first task is to remove the various original pop clips and bolts from the inner wheel arch area. With the front area of the liner in place, the next step is to begin tucking the new liner underneath the edge of the existing wheel arch trim. You can then begin to refit the clips and bolts that you removed. 2 clips are supplied with the kit to help you secure the new liner to the rear bumper. You then need to drill 2 holes on the underside of the rear bumper, allowing you to insert 2 more clips. The process is largely the same at the front. I recommend holding up the new arch liner first to see which clips need removing from the car, as some of them will be left in place. After locating the central areas of the liner, you can begin to tuck it underneath the edge of the existing wheel arch trim before refitting the clips that you removed. It's worth noting that this customer's front bumper has been trimmed to accommodate very large tyres, which you might be able to see on the right hand side of this shot. Each front liner requires 1 small hole to be drilled into the plastic wheel arch, allowing an additional clip to be inserted. The front right liner also utilises 2 additional fixings to help to secure it in place. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch.